Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatty. Today we want to share with you how to use the WhatsApp widget with DUDA CMS. DUDA is a very popular platform. I mean, it's very well distributed. I mean, they have plenty of users, they have plenty of everything. So we want to share with you how you can add the widget in your DUDA website. So we go to our website, we go to the editor. The editor is beautiful. The same, you have templates for everything. I mean, I think it's truly a very robust solution. So I mean, there is nothing to say about the CMS itself. When we go to widgets, this is the widget section, and we search for WhatsApp, there is a, I mean, they have a, let's say, a click to chat. This is the default button, you know, with a welcome message. That's it. Okay, no tracking, no form, no nothing. So if you want a simple basic solution, yes, you have it. Yes, I guess if you fix the position, then becomes a floating button. Okay, so let's say DUDA offers a floating simple button for your website. So if you are happy with this, this is good. Okay, this is a nice solution. If not, if you search for WhatsApp, they offer Chatty. I think is the plugin. Chatty is a, I mean, again, it's a good solution. It's something you can use, but I think it's very expensive. I mean, it's like a, you know, I mean, and they charge per views. You know, the free plan is only 500 visitors. The basic is 10,000 visitors. Pro is 50,000 visitors. So I don't know. I think it's way too expensive. So our solution, our widget, you can go to your account. You can create, as usual, as many as you want. I mean, it's not one widget per domain. You can create unlimited widgets for unlimited domains. So if you have, let's say, 10 websites with DUDA, you can create 10 widgets for your websites, unlimited use, unlimited leads, unlimited everything. There is no cap on any sense. And you know, you can have AI widgets, you can have bookings, you can have forms, you can have everything for your website. So you know, that's the idea. So let's do a test with this is an AI widget. This widget is you know, we have an AI agent here. You know, what is a Rose? So this is an AI agent, and this is going to reply using AI. Okay, this is working. It's going to, you know, it's going to capture the lead. I mean, this is something I mean, we give you a lot of tools for the AI widget. So this is the AI widget. So let's go to DUDA. So you can see how you can install the widget. We go to SEO and settings. We go to head HTML. And here in the head is where we place our code. Okay. Let me click save. Yes. Yes, there is always a warning about, you know, I mean, be careful because, you know, you're going to add code in the header. So, okay, the widget is here. The widget is going to work. Okay. So beautiful. Let's publish. Okay, this is working. So now we have our beautiful DUDA website plus our widget. Okay, so this is here. Fantastic. It's working. Very beautiful. It's done. What we can do, for example, we can change the design. I mean, if we like more this template, the bubble template, that is like a more beautiful, more rounded design. Okay, if we do it, this goes automatically into your website. I mean, this is something that happens, you know, like in real time. I mean, the changes you do in the widget are, you know, published directly into your website. I mean, this goes very fast. Obviously, if we change the color, the same. I mean, we can change the, let's put this purple so it looks more like the website. Okay, I reload, and this is purple. So you can change the color, the logos, everything to make everything more coherent. I mean, if this is a purple theme, you can have a purple widget. Okay, so that's the idea. So this is widget number one, but you know, we can change. We can go to our widgets, and we can take a widget for bookings, like this one. This is a widget for bookings, so we can take this one, and we can change our widget in DUDA. Let's go back to settings, head, and we replace this one for the new one. Yes. And the new widget is published. So this is the new widget with bookings. Okay. So fantastic. Everything is working. This is a, you know, DUDA is great. And now we can have a beautiful widget on the website. There is also, let me reload. I didn't publish the change, I think. Yes, republish. Okay, let's go to the website. Okay, now it's working. That's the bookings. Okay, so fantastic. Everything is working. Cool. We have the bookings widget in DUDA website. Now, there is something else you can do. I mean, there is something that you can add the widget as a form inside your page. Let's say you have this beautiful website. You may have a contact section. I don't know if there is no contact section here. Okay, there is no contact section, or maybe it's up here. Well, they didn't. Well, for whatever reason, they didn't add a contact section, so we can just put it. Let's put here. Let's add HTML. Normally, this is called HTML. Yes. So we put it here. This will be custom HTML. So what we can do is we can take our agents form, like this one. We take the code from here. We go to DUDA, and we put it here. Manage HTML. I put it here. Update. I guess it's done. I click publish. Let's go to the website. And yes, here is the form from the agent. Okay, each agent in your widgets can have a specific form. So the form can be insert, can be embed in your DUDA website. So this is an option to have all your leads or all your contacts, everything going to the same place. Everything goes to WhatsApp, everything goes to your CRM, everything goes, because here, I mean, we give you a CRM so you can have all your leads, in one place. So you know what's happening. We give you tracking for Google Ads, we give you tracking for UTMs, we give you tracking for everything. Obviously, you can link payments. So you can do a lot of things with our widget, and your DUDA website is going to become, a powerful tool for you and your business. So this is another option, and I want to compare how I don't know if DUDA offers a contact form. I guess they do. Click to call. Let's search for contact form. Yes, and they also have other. Yeah, they have other options for contact, but they have a contact form. So I guess you can put it here. Yes. Yes, you can have a contact form. With these options. Phone is a phone number. Yes, you can have same tools as we do. For example, a phone number. Phone number is a very important field, and you can have, in our case, we validate country code and phone number format. So, we can give you like better leads, for your business. Then I don't know if there is something else here, like a manage form, add field, drop down radio buttons, file, date, time, long text, email, phone number, opt-in. Okay. Yes. I mean, it's similar to what we have. I mean, we have more options, and a few of them. So I mean, I think it's good. The contact form, from DUDA, I think is a good option. I don't know how you get the notifications. I don't know, submissions. Okay. Yes, you have an email. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. And integrations. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I mean, we have the webhook. We know it's a bit more technical, but here as well. No? I mean, you have the webhook, so you can send the data as well as they do. So I think everything they do is fantastic. We give you, obviously, the WhatsApp notifications on top of that. And the design, I think, is different, but you can choose whatever you want. So I think, obviously, DUDA is a fantastic platform. With the widget, I think becomes a better, tool for your business. Obviously, mobile works great. So, the idea is to have, a beautiful, easy to use platform to create beautiful websites and to have the best widget in your DUDA website. And I want to make this very clear. You can create unlimited widgets. You can create unlimited agents. You can create unlimited everything. So the idea is to give you the best widget for your DUDA websites or website, and no caps, no limit on views, no limit on leads, no limit on anything. You can have as many leads as you want. You can have as many agents as you want. You can create as many widgets as you want. Everything is unlimited. So try it. Let us know what you think, and we will be here to help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.